Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Open Netflix on a web browser or the mobile app to start. Sign in with the account email and password for the profile you use. Tap or click the profile icon in the top right corner to access settings. Choose Account from the drop-down list to view your membership details and plan. Review the current plan name, monthly price, and device limits before making changes. Keep a payment method ready to confirm any plan upgrades or downgrades immediately. Under Account, click or tap Change Plan to see plan options and features. The page shows each plan name, price, picture quality, and device limit for direct comparison. Select the plan that fits your needs by clicking the Select or Continue button under that option. Review how the change affects the next billing amount and date before confirming. Confirm your choice by clicking Apply or Save to finalize the switch and trigger the billing update on your account. If you subscribe through a third-party provider, you must change plans with that provider directly. Plan changes on Netflix may be prorated or take effect on the next billing date depending on your account status. Watch for a confirmation email that states the new plan, price, and effective date after you confirm. If you do not see the change immediately, sign out of all devices and sign back in to refresh device limits. Contact Netflix support through the Help Center if any.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.